What is the key for a Chrome driver? What is the key for Chrome driver? Anybody? What key we are using?
WebDriver.driver.chrome.
Absolutely good. So that key is very, very important. WebDriver.driver.chrome. Yeah. So that is interview question. They will ask you, can you tell me like what is the key for, or what key we use for WebDriver? So for a Chrome driver, I'm sorry, for a Chrome driver, you can say that WebDriver driver WebDriver Chrome driver. Okay. So that is very, very important. Okay. So I asked you, right? Can anyone launch other browsers? 1 second, guys. So I asked you, right? Did anyone try that one? Did anyone try? Is there different browsers? Did anyone try?
Key for Chrome browser means, sir, what is the key for Chrome browser means?
WebDriver Chrome.driver. Yesterday we saw, right? What is the key? WebDriver Chrome.driver. That is key. What is the value? You need to give exe file. What is exe means? What you downloaded, right? From the main site. That we need to do. Okay. Who tried? Okay. Okay, guys. Anyone want to share the screen? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will give the other person is also give the chance. Guys, anyone want to share the screen?
Yes, yes.
What's your name?
Kumar.
Kumar, right? Yeah. Now you can share the screen. That's good. Okay. Can you open the Eclipse?
Yes.
Yeah, good. Can you open the Eclipse? Yeah.
Yes,
Can you
yes.
write a program to launch Firefox? Can you do that one?
Yeah.
Okay, do one.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I delete and I can create the project?
Sorry, come again.
Can I delete this project and again?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can. Because practice is required. More practice is required. Yeah, you can do that one. Okay. So now you only tell me how we need to launch the Firefox driver. Okay. So this is very, very important, guys. Generally, say before we need to write the scripts, right? What is required? Browsers is required. Yesterday we know, right, how to launch the Chrome driver. Okay. Now we'll see how to launch the Firefox driver. Okay, like Firefox browser. Okay. Create new project. Okay. Create new project. Java project. Next.
Project
Can you click
Firefox?
Yeah. Next. Can you click next here? I'm able to see only the selected. I think I'm not see your screen. I'm able to see only. Can you refresh one more time? What about other guys? Which screen you are able to see? Select wizard or which screen you are able to see? Now I'm able to see. Good. Launching Firefox. Launching Firefox. Don't give the space. Okay. Next. Finish. Not required actually. Do not create.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Anyhow, okay. Delete that. Under the launching Firefox, you can create a class. Which one you are? Okay. Create a class. See again why your project is showing the error mark. Okay. Down. Okay, create a class. Let's see. Launch Firefox. Launch Firefox. Yeah, browser. Okay, I told you right. Public static void you need to take because the main functionality is required. Without main, the Java will not be executed. Okay. Yeah, finish. Click finish button. There is a delay between. Yeah, finish. I think there is a delay from you and network. What is your okay? Your network is good, right? Okay, finish.
Yes, it's come. Yes.
Yeah, I'm able to see. Okay, there is some delay in the okay. Okay, now now you can write like what you need to write. Now what we need to do, guys? Can anyone tell me? Can we write a Selenium program here? Can we write?
No.
Why?
Yeah, I create import the
Jar files. Yes,
input I
absolutely good. Yes, you need to add the jar files. Where you need to add the jar files, guys? Where you need to add the jar files? Anybody?
Go to the property and then libraries and then add
Yes.
external hash.
Yes. Go to the SRC. Go to the SRC. Okay. Go to the SRC. Yeah.
properties.
No. Build path. See, this is what important. Build path. Go to the build path. Configuration build path. Configure build path. See, navigation you need to remember. Okay. Configure build path. Yes. Click that one. Configure build path. And what is that? Libraries. Go to the libraries.
Class path.
Libraries. Select the class path.
Class.
Yeah. Yes. Good.
Add external.
Yes, absolutely good. Remember, don't buy hard. If you buy hard, you will forget. Okay. Remember, the steps is very, very important.
Then
SRC, right?
can I go through like this? Click on
How?
SRC.
Huh.
Go to property.
Hmm.
No. No.
No, let him try. What is your idea, right? Might be. So, tell me, you have idea, then you can share it. Yes, you can share it. No problem. Properties. Then how will go?
No, if you
Ah.
want to do it, then
Yes.
in the
You
folder
come here.
of launching Firefox,
Yes.
Yeah. Go
Yes.
to
Yes.
project.
in the
Right
Ah.
click
in the
on project.
launching.
Go to
Hmm.
property. Here
Yes,
Java
build
Build
build path
Java build
is
path.
there.
Library. You
library.
can go like
From
class path. Yes,
this
you can go
class
that.
path, and you can
Yeah,
I can
add action.
add it.
Yes. So see the guys, the how we are doing is very, very important. You can go like that, and navigation is very, very important. Either you are familiar with that one, you can follow that one. You are familiar with this one, you can follow that one. Okay, that's fine. But our ultimate goal is what we need to add the jar files into our project. That is very, very important. Okay, right? Go in anywhere, but you need to how we need to adding the correct place or not. That is very, very important. Okay, that's fine. Uh, uh, okay. Can you add that word? Add external files. Add external jar file. Yes, 3.8. Select all. Control A. First one. Select one and Control A. Press Control A. Yeah. Open.
Right. This is Chrome.
Yeah. This is WebDriver. Don't confuse. Chrome is different. Okay. Drivers is different. WebDriver. This is what Selenium Java 3.80 is what WebDriver. Don't confuse. Yeah. Chrome is different. Okay. Okay. Select the class path. Hold on. Select the class path. Add external jars. Again, go back to Selenium. Hold on. Back to Selenium Java 8.30. Yeah. Click there. Click there. These two files. No. You already added that file.
Yes.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Take your time. Okay, second one on. Yeah, okay. Cool. Well, you're doing it's not a competition. Okay, take your time. Okay, open. Okay, once you habituated this one, right, our next program is very easy. Yeah, apply and close. Yeah, can you do one thing? Can you delete, like, go to the launching Firefox package, launching down below, package name, package, arrow mark. Before package, there is arrow mark, right? No, no, not this one.
Yes.
Package. Under SRC, good. Click that arrow mark. Delete Firefox.java, not required for us. Hmm. See, that's very good. Good. Now, what else required? You only tell me what is required for us. We create a project. We added the jar files. What is required, guys? Guys, everyone should be participating. Okay, it's not for me and that guy. Okay. What is required, guys? Now we create a project and we add the jar files. Now I want to launch Firefox. What is required? Next step is what?
We need a Firefox rep.
Yes,
Import.
absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Go to the website, Selenium. Yeah, Selenium Dev. Yeah, always keep that one. And Sai, oh, you joined, right? Sai, you asked me, right, yesterday. The web driver is the interface. Okay, web driver is the interface. Okay,
Yes,
so we
yes.
cannot create
There are
a object for the web driver. Okay, we are creating the web driver. We are creating for web driver equals to new Chrome driver. We are creating object for the new Chrome driver. Okay. Actually, I asked your number. I was missing it. Okay, we will discuss more. That is the interview question. Yesterday, what you asked, right? What is the object for a web driver, or it's a Chrome? It's a Chrome. Okay, we are creating object for the Chrome. We will discuss after this class or tomorrow. We'll discuss.
actually I found the
Okay.
answer, sir. The
Okay,
documentation
that's fine.
itself.
Okay, that's fine. That's the way. That's the way I'm asking to always refer this one. This site is very very important. Selenium.dev. Always you need to refer this site. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Okay, click enter and downloads. Can you click the downloads? Yeah, downloads. Tell me which one we need to download. Go to the
The
browsers.
browsers.
Yeah, go to the browsers. Yeah,
Firefox.
Firefox. Yeah. So interview question, we can call it as it's a GCO drivers. Okay. Yeah, click that one. GCO drivers. See, these all are GCO drivers. So supported platform. Can you click that one? The following table shows mapping between the GCO drivers releases in the top. One more step. Yeah. Down below. No, down below.
This one.
Yes, good. Yes, good. Click that. So what is the latest one? O.29.o. Okay, this is one. Okay, come down. Which one we need to download? Come down. Come to last. What is your bit? What is your bit? 64 bit or 32 bit?
64.
64. Okay. Yes, go. Download. Good. Download that one. Don't hurry, don't jump. Okay. Coolly we can do
Start
that.
download.
One program. Yeah, start downloading. Yeah, okay. Copy that one. Right click, copy. Where you are keeping all your drives, D. Okay. What is the drivers? Yes, web drivers. Down below. Down. Not Chrome driver. Web drivers. Click that one. Web driver version. What is that? Okay. Where you want to keep. Otherwise,
Yeah.
you can create one more folder. Otherwise, you can create new folder. G-code driver. Or if you want familiar with Firefox, okay, G-code driver. G-code driver. Always write the version number. I'm sorry, O.29.o. That's correct. Click there. In the inside the folder we can yeah, paste it.
Can I again get
No, not required. You can paste directly. You can extract here. You can see the version number, right? O dot version. That is very very important. Extract all. Extract. Yeah, good. Now this path we need to give. Hold on. Now go to your Eclipse. Now we need to write reference libraries, right? Right. Now tell me what is required here. click enter. Write import space import import. Hold on. Import your R is missing. Import import. Good. org dot. Right, correct only. org dot. Put a dot. Open QA. What is required? Open QA. What is required, guys? Open QA. Selenium dot WebDriver. WebDriver is required, right? WebDriver. Selenium dot. Select one. Remove the star and WebDriver. Write 2 letters. Control space. Yes, good. No, okay, good. Come down. Next main thing. What is the required? What is the main one? Firefox. Yeah, write that. What? How you will write? Import. Import org dot openqa dot selenium dot firefox dot firefox driver. Firefox driver. See how it is easy. Simple. Firefox dot Firefox. If you want to write Chrome, means import org dot openqa dot selenium dot chrome driver. Here Firefox dot no. See, you written wrong. Firefox driver. Control. Use control space. Automatically it will come. No need to write anything. See, Firefox driver. After Firefox binary. Yes. Good. Yeah, come to the program. So what is the program? Yesterday I said, right, what we need to write, simply you can write, you need to tell to your system dot system dot system dot what we need to write, what we need to write, guys? Can anyone? System dot what we need to write? Set property. Yes, set property. Parallelly you need to do in your system, guys. Okay, parallelly you need to do key and value. See, the key and value is the interview question. What is the key for a Chrome and what is the key for a Firefox? Firefox means right, double quotes, right, WebDriver dot Jico dot driver, not comma, dot Jico Jico. No. WebDriver. No. First WebDriver. After Jico, write Jico. Put a dot. Write a Jico. GECKO. Dot driver. You know, right? How to give the path. How to give the path. Key is done. How to give the path?
Go to exe file.
Yes. Go to that. Yes. Do that one. Shift key and right click. No. Do one thing. Shift key. Press shift key. Right click. Copy as a path.
Process to
Yeah. Shift key. Right click. Copy as a path. Yeah. Good. Yeah. See that. Yeah. Okay. Now go to your code. And remove that null value. Put a double quote. Paste that value. Remove that extra one. Yes, remove the extra one. And last also you need to remove. Last. Yes. Remember always, guys, if you are not speaking, put a mute, okay? Semicolon, okay? Okay, that's good. That's fine. Now what we need to do? You need to create a object, right? So, yes, WebDriver, right? WebDriver equals to hmm, driver equals to new. What we need to create for object here? New Firefox driver. Absolutely good. New Firefox driver, right? New Firefox driver. Okay. Control space. Always use control space. Then enter URL. Okay. After launching this Firefox driver, you need to launch the URL, right? So driver dot get is a command. Okay. Driver. No, driver you written wrong. Check the spelling. Okay. Don't worry. Driver driver dot get get get. See, get is the yes, control space. Don't write your own. Okay, use always control space. Get first one. Pass the URL. Which URL you want, you can pass. HTTP www.amazon.in or any URL you want. Any URL you can just pass. Suppose you are working employees, you can just try with your website, working website. Amazon.in. Down below you got it, right? Yeah, copy that one. Click enter one more time. Hold on. That is correct. Amazon AMA. Okay. Check the spelling. Okay. No problem. Take the time. Remove that one. Down below you get it, right? Just press anything. Yeah.
This one.
No, just click Amazon.in. Copy this URL. But you are lengthy URL, right? Take the small one. www.amazon.in. That's it.
Can I again open?
Open. Take another browser. Take your time. Don't thanks. Okay. Amazon.in. Just write Amazon.in. That's it. Remove that. Okay, that's fine. Remove that ne.n. Okay. .in. Click enter. IN means India site. Okay. Copy that URL address. Click there. Copy this. Okay, good. Okay, copy into directly. Get there. Double quotes. Paste it. Good. Now you can run it. And make sure that you have Firefox in your system, right? Is it there? Firefox. Okay, that's fine. You can run this one. What will happen? See, you can run this one. This is also interesting. Run this one. Firefox is not there, right? What is error it is throwing? Come down. What error it is throwing? Can you read the console error? Little bit go up here, right side. Scroll up. Right side, your right side. Yeah. Come to last. There is a scroll bar, right? Yeah. Scroll up. Up. Okay. What is it saying? What is saying? Can you read this line? First line.
Exception in thread name OCJA
Cannot find Firefox binary in path.
Yes.
Cannot find Firefox binary in path.
Make sure Firefox is installed.
What is saying? Simple communication. It is saying, hey guy, your not Firefox is not there. Can you please install the Firefox? See, troubleshoot is also very important. Every error we will get into the console, but you need to have some patience. Okay, you need to have some patience, and you need to check what message it is getting. See, simply it is saying that make sure Firefox is installed. So in interview question, might they will test you. Hey, I don't have the Firefox. If I write my script, is it executed? They're questioning you in interview. If you have this knowledge, then you can simply say that no, it won't execute because it without install the Firefox, it won't run. It will show the in console. Make sure your Firefox is installed. If doesn't know the any person, then he say that confused whether it is executed or not, whether it is executed or not. That so make sure that while you're doing any errors will come, make sure that noted, because these all are very helpful for your interview purpose. Okay, do one thing very fastly, open the browser and install Firefox. Okay, within the fast. Okay, open the browser, close all the things unnecessary. After the class you can open all the things, see how many browsers you open, not require all the browsers, close all the things unnecessarily one. Okay, after the class you can work on all areas. Okay, because you will confuse. Okay. Hmm. Download Firefox. Firefox. Hmm. For Windows.
This one.
Okay, take your Windows 10, right? Yeah, you can take. Hmm. Download. Firefox. Free download. Download this one. No thanks. Hmm. Download. Hmm. See, don't ask anybody this one or that one. It means I'm telling you very friendly wise. You are already professional. You already done BTech and MTech and all the things, right? If you feel it's true, you can install it. Okay. Because we are the professionals, right? We are done
Bro,
BTech and then we know, right, all the things. Yeah. Good. Install that. Double click.
yesterday video is not uploaded till now.
Sorry?
Yesterday session is still uploaded, not now in driver.
You are asking the videos,
Yes.
class videos? Yeah, okay. You can talk with
Yes.
the front officer. Okay? You can talk and you can ask them. Could you please provide the videos? You can ask them, they will provide. Okay. Next. Because that is not my part. Okay. Next.
Next.
Next. Install. Good. But in real time, the laptops they will provide, right? They will provide all the installations and all the things. Just you need to log in with your organization credentials on. Okay, good. Good. Close this one. Completely close. Okay, Firefox you can close. Yeah, close all the tabs. Close this tab. Not required. Close. Why minimize? You can close. Okay, close. Okay. Now, can you restart this one? Yeah. Can you run this one more time? Let's see. Yeah, it's running. See information and all the things. Good, good. Yes, good. Excellent. So this is the way we need to do the launching the Firefox and Chrome. So this is very, very important, guys. The way you need to check all these things, okay? How we need to. What is the key for Firefox interview question? What is the key for Firefox, guys? Anyone tell me what is the key for Firefox? What is the key for?
WebDriver.gcode.driver.
Absolutely. What is the key for a Chrome?
WebDriver.driver.com.
WebDriver.chrome.driver. Okay, make sure
Driver.
that yeah. So make sure that you need to check. Okay, okay. Now, who want to share? Anyone? Other people want to share? Can do Edge Chrome? Anybody? Anyone want to share your screen? Or still we can continue here? What else, guys?
Sir, I
Anyone
have a
want to?
doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, here system.set property in here WebDriver.Zico driver. You
Hmm.
write here written as Zico, but when you create the object, it is written as a Firefox driver. What is the Zico driver, Firefox driver
No,
difference?
no, 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 no. You can go with that site and you can check. They're introduced previously. It's a not required, when they introduce 1.0 and 2.0, not required to write all the things, the key and value. You can directly write a WebDriver, driver equals to new driver, new Firefox driver. But recently they introduced, not recently in 2.0, they introduced like GCO drivers. You need to pass the GCO drivers, then only it will be executed. Don't combine these two things. Okay, this is completely different. This is completely different. They introduced what? GCO drivers. I told you, right? Every browser has a specific browsers will be there. For a Chrome, they introduce Chrome driver. There for the GCO drivers, they introduce for Firefox driver, they introduce what? GCO driver. So you need to pass
Oh,
this key. Okay. So driver dot GCO dot driver. Okay. For Edge Chrome also you need to write the same way. Driver dot H dot driver. Okay. So that is very, very important. Okay.
so
Um,
for Firefox driver, Zico driver is there.
Required, yes, absolutely, 100%. In interview, if you are going with a fresher level, right, and they will ask you this question: what is Zico driver? Most of the people are saying that both the things, like they will say that Firefox driver and all the things, but key is very, very important. Okay, okay, guys. Anyone want to share the screen, or we can continue in this session? I'm giving the opportunity to share the screen. Shall we continue? What else, guys? Yes or no? Time is very, very important. Okay, shall we continue on this screen? Okay, launching the Edge Chrome. Okay, next. Guys, you need to share the screen, you need to talk, you need to discuss in the real time, you need to talk with our on-site team, on offshore team. So that's very, very important. Okay, next and finish.
Finish.
Oh, yeah, finish. Again, you're creating new project. Okay, then it's fine. Do not create, do not create. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, okay, fine. Now, for Edge, okay, you have Edge Chrome, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Then it's very easy. Now, the same step. Okay, right click, src, right click, new. What do you need to do? No,
Package.
create a package. Yeah, go ahead, package. Finish. You can put the same thing, not a problem. Edge Chrome. Finish.
Only H-Chrome.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Let's keep like that only. Right, create a class. No, no, under the package. Hold on. Select the package. Select the package. Under the package, you need to create the class. Okay. Right click, new class. What is launching Edge Chrome? First basic thing. Without launching, we cannot automate anything. The first basic thing in automation to launching the browsers. Okay. Interview question, the pressure they will ask you, can you how we need to launch the browser? So you need to tell them system dot set property and key and value. So if I launch Chrome driver, I need to provide the key value. So what is the key for Chrome driver means? Chrome driver, web driver dot Chrome dot driver. So you need to tell like in interview. Don't read all the sentences. Okay, you need to talk very, very professional way in the interview point of view. Okay, yeah, finish. What they ask only you need to tell that only. Don't if they ask Chrome means you are telling GCO and Edge Chrome means they won't accept you. Okay, if they ask only key for a Chrome means you need to tell only the key for a Chrome only. Okay, if they ask Edge Chrome means you need to tell key for. Can you tell me the keys for browsers means then you need to tell all the things. Okay, yeah. Now, now again you need to add your jar files, right? Can you add the jar files because you create a new project, right? So whenever create a new project, what we need to do? We need to add the jar files. Can you go and add the jar files? Where we need to add the jar files? Where we need to add the jar files?
Go to properties.
src. Okay, you can go like this. Okay, here we
Class
class
path.
path. Yeah, add
Init
external.
external.
No, no.
Jars.
Select these two things. The two jars. Second one also you can select. Okay, open. Yeah. Okay. Next again class path. External jars. Select one. Open. Okay. Apply and close. Now what is the edge chrome? Right now, right, same thing. Right, import. What we need to write? Import org dot openqa dot selenium dot openqa. Control space. Use control space. No need to write anything. See, openqa dot selenium dot WebDriver. Okay. Good. Come down. Yellow is indication is a warning. Okay. Don't worry about that one. Okay. Import. If it is getting red mark, then you need to worry. Import org space org dot openqa dot what we need to write, guys? Can anyone? What we need to write?
Selenium dot
Selenium dot what we need to
edge
write, guys? Edge dot selenium edge dot edge dot what we need to write, guys? Anybody? Dot
WebDriver.
edge driver dot, put a dot. See, edge driver. See, so that is very, very important in interview. Just make sure that what references we are taking. Import.org.selenium chrome driver, import.org.openqa.selenium.firefox.firefox driver, and edge chrome the import.org.selenium.edge driver. Simply you need to remember. Okay, come down to the program. The same thing. System dot, and before this one, hold on. Again, what we need to do? Next step is what, guys? Anybody? We need to download, right? Where you need to download? Yeah, I'm sorry. Go to the download part. Selenium dot. Yeah, good. Download. Browsers. Yeah, come down. Edge Chrome. Yeah, documentation. Yeah. In documentation, what we need to take? See, Windows 91, right? So you need to take take 91, otherwise you can take, what is your Edge Chrome browser? Hold on. What is your Edge Chrome? Open your Edge Chrome. What is the version? You know how to check the version with your browser? Click that. Help, let's come down. About Edge Chrome, come down. About Edge Chrome. Your right side. Help feedback. Yeah, come down. Last. Yeah, click that one. What is 89? Okay, better you can take 89 on. Yeah, you can take it. 89 or 89 down below. 89, 64. 64. X64. X means Windows. First one. X64. Yeah, click that one. Yeah, click that one. Start. Open. Okay. After the class, okay, it's come. Copy that one. Go to the E drive and write one more thing. Edge drives. Version is 89. Edge drive. Yeah, version is what? 89. Yeah. Open that one. Paste it. Extract it. Right click, extract all. Good. Extract. Now this path you need to give. Okay. Now go to your code. Eclipse. Go to your Eclipse. Right. What we need to write? System dot. Again, the same code. System dot set property key and value. System dot set property So tomorrow, if anyone asks you in interview, can you please launch the browsers, means please do not think about there. You already, we practice more. We launch Chrome, we launch Firefox, we launch Edge Chrome also. And do not by heart. Simply understand system dot set property and key and value. You only need to remember keys. Values we know, right? Only you need to remember what keys only. Okay. The keys is also is very easy. Okay, just right. What is the key for edge? Okay, yeah, the same thing, right?
Edge driver.
Web drive, yes, absolutely. Web driver dot edge dot driver. No, only driver. What's your name? Driver on Kumar, right? Only driver. Web driver edge dot driver. That's it. Good. Now you know, right? Value. Now you know value. Give the value there. Do not depend on anyone. Simply, I know the code, I can launch. If tomorrow you got an opportunity, so you cannot, no need to depend on anyone. I can launch and I can show you the code. Okay, but do the practice. Practice is required. Double code. Put in the double code. And parallelly, you need to learn CoreJava also. Without CoreJava, blindly you're learning this one, means it's the waste of the things. Okay, you need to learn CoreJava also. Okay, remove that slash extra one. Yeah, last slash. Remove that slash. Put a end of the semicolon. Statement will be now you need to write. What we need to write? You need to create object for the code. Sorry, edge driver. Yeah, right. Web driver equals to new edge driver. Equals to new edge driver. Control space. Edge driver. Good. Same. Now you can write simply driver dot get URL. Previously, what URL you can give that URL. Driver dot get. Yeah. No, not get class. Remove that one. First one only. Driver dot get. Control space. First one. Take first one. Yeah. Enter the URL. Any URL you just enter the URL. Amazon.in, anything, any URL you can give that. Copy that URL and give there.
Can I start?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can run it. Save it first. You need to save it. Okay. See, guys, what else you want? Simple, guys. I want everyone should be make it as a documentation after the class. Only seeing the class and only practicing in the laptops, it won't be good. So whatever you done so far, how to launch Chrome, how to launch Firefox, and how to launch Edge Chrome, I want every individual should be make a document and send it to me. Okay, that's your everyday process. Whatever you are doing in the system, that you need to make into the document and send it to me. Yeah. Tell me, I'm here on. You have any questions? If someone is saying hello, sir. Okay, so this is very important, guys. The first basic thing in if you want to do a automation thing, you need to launch the browsers. So how we need to launch the browsers? Simple. You need to create a project and we need to add the respective jar files, the WebDriver jar files. Like we need to take which one in the requirement. In the real time, they will tell you in the requirements. Okay, we required 3.8 because it is only supportable files, or they will say 3.14. So you need to download 3.14. So you need to add the jar files and you need to launch the browsers. Okay, if whenever the build will come, generally what we will do, manual testing, whenever the build will come, we need to open the URL and we need to check whether the build is working correctly or not. What is the smoke testing? We need to check, right? At least the smoke testing means what? Build verification testing. So whenever the build will come, they will provide the URL. That URL is launching or not, we need to check. Manually means what? Again, you need to go to the Chrome and open the Chrome browser. Again, you need to enter the URL and again you need to click the enter. That is what manual process. But if you write this three script, only just change the URL. Just you need to change the URL from the Firefox in Edge Chrome or Chrome. If you click run button, automatically the three browsers will be run. Like Chrome is executed, Firefox is executed, and Edge is executed. Okay, so like that we need to do the automation part. Okay, so is
Sir,
it clear
here
still?
here there
One
is
second.
not
Uh-huh. Go ahead.
sir, test cases are not required here.
No, test cases is required, 100% required the test cases. They will provide test cases, otherwise they will ask you write a test cases means you need to write the test cases. See, automation is what it's not be like tomorrow you will get job, tomorrow only you need not write the code. First you need to understand the functionality. If you're not understanding the functionality, how you will do the automate that? Understanding, right? You cannot do blindly, right? Launching the browser we can do blindly, but what I need to automate, what I need to click, if I click what the fields is comes, that how you know that one. So when we will do the automation will not start initial stage. Remember that one. Automation will not start in the initial stage. First you need to learn the domain knowledge. Without domain knowledge you cannot do any automation. You cannot do anything. A single part also you cannot do because you don't know functionality, and how you will do automation. If you know the functionality, then only you can do the automation. So they will provide you test cases. Okay, otherwise they will ask you write the test cases for that particular things. So you need to write the test cases for that one, and you need to send the test cases your senior most person or your lead. Then lead or your senior person will approve that test cases. Okay, this is fine, and finally they will give you approval for to write the automation. Understanding, right? It's not like directly open the Chrome browser and adding the browser. I'm done with my testing. They won't agree with that one. We have some process for every organization. They follow the process. If the organization follow the process, they ask you write the test cases before, so you need to write the before. What are the most demanding domain in the market? So there are many domains will be there. Banking domain, banking is the most one. Banking, and we can say that insurance for most of the US companies or insurance will be there. Medical domain will be there. Now market is what completely e-commerce. E-commerce is there. So it depends on your project and all the things. Okay, insurance is also one of the, banking domain is also one of the important. Finance domain is also tax related things. That is also a very good domain. Understanding, right? So you need to have some domain knowledge. So don't worry that one. They will give you KT. What is called KT? What is called KT?
Knowledge transfer.
Knowledge
Knowledge
transfer.
transfer.
Okay, yeah, they will provide before you start. Blindly they won't give, start writing the coding. They won't give like that. Okay, they will give you training for like 1 week or like 1 week of program. Okay, they will tell you what is this application, how, what are the challenges to make the automation, and what are the things they will discuss, and they have a test plan for this one. Can you mute yourself if you are not talking, guys? They will prepare the test plan for that one. Based on the test plan, we need to write the test scenarios. Based on the test scenarios, we need to write the test cases. Based on the test cases, we need to build the automation. Understanding, right? Okay, so we are so far good in to launching the browsers, right? Is it clear? Still you have any questions? So are you guys who can launch the browsers, right, without taking any help? You can do, right, to launching the
Yes.
browsers? Yes, good, good. So the next topic is what? Very, very important. Browser commands. Okay, browser commands we'll see tomorrow. Meanwhile, you can still practice all the things. Tomorrow we can directly go to the browser commands. That is very, very important. Basic commands. What are the browser commands is required? Get URL. We'll see close. We'll see a few commands. For the browser commands. Okay, get title. So we'll see tomorrow the session, but make sure that tomorrow everyone should install everything will be there, like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. And we'll see IE also. IE is a lot of challenges will be there. Okay, you have IE in your system, Kiran?
No,
Kumar, right? Yeah.
no.
No, right? Okay, okay. Okay, that's fine. So now see, we are not worried about the IE. So in future there is no more IE. They stop the IE browser. So we are not worried about that one. Okay. In future there is no IE. Okay. Um, so only maximum we will work with main browsers like the Chrome and Edge Chrome. Most of the people that use Chrome, it's a user friendly, and Edge Chrome is also more user friendly. And Firefox, very less people will use, because lot of updates will come into the Firefox. So there is no stable version on the Firefox. Okay, so mostly we will work on this. If you are using Mac, Safari, we will use. Okay, if any browser will come, we can easily handle it. Okay, by using of the same way, system dot set property, you need to provide the key and value. For the so far the last 2 or 3 classes, interview question says what? How to set the Java path. That is interview question. If you are going with the fresher level, how to set the Java path, guys? Anyone tell me how to set the Java path? Anybody? This PC,
Click on
right click. Yeah, this PC,
that
right click,
advanced
properties, advanced
advanced setting,
settings. Yes,
system
advanced
variable,
settings, system variables, environment
variables.
variables. In the system variables, you need to environment variables, and you need to provide the system variable as Java underscore home, and you need to give the path. And up to bin, you need to give. Yes, and make sure that you need to check Java is installed correctly or not in your system. That is the first one they will ask you. The second one might they will ask you how to launch the, what are the pre-required conditions to write a script. They will ask you different way. What are the pre-request things to start write the script? Eclipse is required, Java is required, and what is required? WebDriver is required, and Chrome driver is required. Like Chrome, you are downloading from the website, right? So you need to tell all these things. What are the pre-request things to write the script? Okay, Eclipse is the editor where I write the code. Okay, Eclipse is required, and what is that? Chrome driver is required, and what is that? WebDriver is required. Again, the second point, the third point might be they will ask you where you can add the jar files into your project. Okay, so you can tell like right click on the property on the project properties, and you can go with the build path and like add like that, or else simply go to the SRC, right click, build path, configure path, and libraries, and select the class path, add external jar files. So you can tell like that also. Okay, and the fourth question might will come, sir. What are the keys for browsers? So you can tell that according to the Chrome driver, web driver dot Chrome dot driver for the Chrome browser, web driver dot Gcode dot driver for Firefox, for Edge web driver Edge dot driver, not Edge driver. Okay, web driver dot Edge dot driver. Okay, so how you will set the path, and path means you can simply, you can say key path is nothing but a value. Okay, value, how you give the value means you need to tell them download from the selenium.dev, and we need to provide. Okay, so this is very, very important, guys. Okay, basic one. Okay, if you are in good in this area, the next steps is very, very easy. One line answers, one. Okay, So we'll see it tomorrow. The browser commands is very, very important. Once it is done, again, one of the important most entry question is what? Locators. That we'll see in the next week, like coming Monday. Monday we'll see the locators. If you are no locators, then you can start automation on your own. Okay. Thank you guys. We'll see on tomorrow. Okay. And who want this, like you are going with these videos and all the things, just call with the front office and you can ask them, could you please provide the session videos, so that they will provide the videos.
As when yesterday call them and also mail them.
Mm-hmm.
Did not
Call them,
respond.
call them. Yeah, that's the human mentality, right? That's a human mentality. Until unless they respond, you need to ping, you can call, you need to ping, you need to call. That see
Yesterday
that
I
way.
waiting for 12 o'clock night. They did
Oh
not
my
send.
God. Okay. Yeah, write a mail to them. Write a strong mail. Them. See, if you are not express, we don't know, right? What is going on? Now you are telling your feedback. Yeah, write the same thing to the mail. Strong
Sir,
mail. Okay.
I also call him many more times yesterday, but he is not
Write them,
responding.
write them, write them, write them. The same thing, you need to write a mail, 2 or 3 mails you need to write them. Then management knows that, right? What is the student is facing the problem. See, it's not my job. My job is what, even I don't know your phone numbers, even I don't know your email IDs. So I'm not against, but you need to tell your concerns, right? So
Yes,
you
yes.
need to tell them.
Yes, sir.
You can write them, mail them, call them. Don't write new mail. Okay, what you send, right, the same mail you need to reply, because that reference mails will be down below. Still on that day I call you, still this today I call you, still I call you. So if you write like that, we have a reference will be there. 3 times I call you, 4 times. If you write a new mail, right, again the previous mails will be gone. So always you need to keep reference mails down and reply to that mail, reply to that mail. Can you please look into this, can you please look into this? Then the other person will be realized. And we don't know what challenges they have, and we cannot also blame them. Might be they are looking for what they are looking, so we don't know, right? So keep on mail them. Let's see. Okay, I will also intimate them today. But anyway, let's see. We will see tomorrow. Thank you
Thank
guys. We'll see tomorrow. Okay.
thank
Hello
you.
then. Thank you.
Sir, actually, we required the video in daily basis, but
Hmm.
as a daily basis, but he sent the video the next day, so
Okay.
it's not
Yeah, you can.
possible for me.
Yeah, you can talk with them. You can talk with them. Okay. You can talk with the front office. Okay. Chalo
Yes,
then.
yes.
Okay. Chalo. Suppose if that within my hand, I can do it. That is not in my hand now. Okay. Just talk with them and discuss. Chalo then. Thank you.